Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you a new subscription box service that I have signed up for, and they are called Piper and Poppy Designs. Yay! I have a nice assortment of little goodies in this box that I'm ready to show you. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Okay, before we get started on the subscription box, I do want to talk about the giveaway that is going on. It does end tonight, Friday tonight, and since I'm kind of getting this video up a little bit late, I'm going to extend it to end at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is where I'm located. And I have a special surprise for you guys. I was talking it over with the hubster. We noticed that channel got a little bit of boost, and I am so thankful for that. So for all the new people who have joined us, welcome. We love new family members. I decided I'm not going to have not one but two winners in our giveaway. Yay! Two winners was awesome. The first winner will get the previous prize that I have mentioned, which is the 3-month subscription to BoxyCharm or the Ulta gift card, depending on your situation. The second winner is going to get a mystery eyeshadow palette that yours truly is going to pick out for you guys. I am so excited. The reason why I did, not only because you know, we've had such a great growth in our family, but because I just realized how much I have enjoyed making this content for you guys and how much you love it, and I appreciate all the feedback that I've been getting, and I was just blown away. So I was just like, hubster, we gotta do something. So he was like, why don't you just pick a second winner and give them a palette? And I was like, okay, so that's what we're going to do. So the second winner is going to get a mystery palette. Yay! All right, now that we have talked about the giveaway, it's going to end at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time, which is where I'm located because I am getting this video up quite late. Also, if you happen to be one of those people that subscribes, then unsubscribes because you did not win, you will be banned from any other giveaway I do. Trust me, I keep track of it. The last giveaway I did, which was the 200th video giveaway, I had 10 people unsubscribe to my channel because they didn't win, and their names are in my book. If you do it, your name's going in the book. So, and if you don't win this time, I do giveaways all the time for big milestones. Like once I hit 3,000 on Instagram, I plan on doing a giveaway over there, and debating if I'm going to do a giveaway once I hit 1,000 on here. So many chances for you guys to win all sorts of goodies from me. So, all right, now let's roll into this new subscription box. Okay, so this new subscription that I want to bring to your guys' attention is called Piper and Poppy Designs. Is that right? Yeah. Piper and Poppy Designs. They are a company based out of California, and the thing I love most about the name of the company is that they're named after their dogs. How cute is that? I am just like so excited about that. But like I said, they are based out of California, and these boxes are geared more towards natural skincare and accessories that kind of give you that California vibe. So no matter where you are, it's going to give you that essence of being in California, which is pretty good because most of us want to try to visit California, but we really don't have the means. But this box right here is going to bring that to you. So I was really excited to get this box. This is their June box, and I have to tell you, I am in love with this brand already. And I'm ready to show you guys all the fun stuff I got. So let's go ahead and open her. All right. First thing off the bat, you get a sticker that says "Do not eat." So you know what that means, right? People probably try to eat stuff. But the first thing I see, you guys know I'm gonna love, is a headband. You guys know I am a sucker for headbands. I have my headband, that's my deodorant, my headband basket right here, and I am loving this. It is, they got cute little swans on it. How cute is that? That is so cute. I absolutely love this headband. Love it. I am all about headbands. You know that. Okay. Then I have this little bitty black pouch. It says pineapple scrub and salve. The ingredients are coconut oil, sugar, pineapple, fragrance oil. And then the scrub, that's what's in the scrub. In the salve, it is coconut oil, candelia wax, skin safe color, and pineapple fragrance oil. Not for consumption. Do not eat. All right, so I believe this is the lip scrub, and this is the salve. Woo, so excited. I have my lippy stuff on, so I can't really. Oh, that is so. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like pineapples. And the sugar particles are finely milled, so you're not getting those like big harsh particles like the Wet n Wild lip scrub. That's what the sugar particles look like. That is so cute. I love this little packaging. I love packaging like this because it's so like easy to use. It's not big and bulky like this. Hold on. It's not big and bulky like this. It's nice. It's compact. You can take it anywhere with you. And I just, this is great. I love it. All right. Now this is the salve. I do believe you can like use this as like a lotion type thing. It smells really good. Ooh, it's really soft. Ooh, that is nice. That feels really nice. Or you could use it as a lip balm as well. I like multi-purposing this stuff because it works really good on your cuticles too. And my cuticles need some help. Trust me, they do. But that's really cool. I like that. I smell like pineapples now. Really cool. Alright, next thing we got. Ooh, my package is a little. They are pineapple mini soaps. It has white glycerin soap base, vitamin E oil, vitamin E oil, candelia wax, essential oil, soap scent, cake flavoring, fragrance oil, food coloring. Just because it says cake flavoring does not mean you eat this. You do not eat these. They smell so good. They smell just like a pineapple. Oh my god. And they look like a pineapple. This is too cute. Oh, these are too cute. I love them. I don't know if you guys can see the... Look, there you go. Get off my face. See the little design on that? That's so cute. Oh, and I believe you get 6 in a box, which is not bad. My box looks like it's seen better days, but that's okay. I have a little baggie I can put them in. All right, next thing we got is a whipped scrubbed in the scent Weekend Getaway. It has white glycerin soap base, hydrogenated vegetable oil, coconut oil, sugar, water, essential oil, soap scent, fragrance oil, or cake flavoring and food coloring. Do not eat this. Oh my god. This smells like a tropical dream. If you like the scent of the butter bronzer, you will love this. And it's nice and whipped. Oh, look at that. That's the texture of it. That is so neat. I am definitely going to have to use this because my body could use some exfoliating. and some scrubbing. Oh, it smells so good. It smells really good. The texture of it is really nice and thick, so you know your body's going to get that nice moisturization that it needs and give you that little extra hydration. That is so cool. I like how this box is mainly about skincare and accessories, because, you know, there are so many subscription boxes out there that are like, targeted just towards makeup, and I don't feel like there's many boxes that have, you know, just like skincare and accessories and stuff like that. There may be out there, but not. I love like the homemade feel of it. I love the homemade vibe. So it's not going to be a box where, you know, it's products that are mass produced. These products are handmade, and I love it. And the last thing I got is a loofah. We all could use an extra loofah in our collections. So that is actually not a bad box. I really enjoy it. Like I said, if you are a fan of the scent of the butter bronzer, you're gonna love this. Okay, so the prices, the headband, did I already put it? I already stuck that in my basket. The headband is $7. The scrub is $12. The mini soaps are $6, which isn't bad. That's like $1 a little soap. That is not bad at all. The hand salve and scrub are $3. I believe they're $3 a piece. And I purchased this box for $25. That is not bad. The box goes for $25, and for just the whip scrub alone is $12. So you're already paying for most of this box. It is amazing. I love it. So you're getting your money's worth with this box. I am a brand ambassador for this company. They just chose me not too long ago, and I have a discount code for you guys for your subscription boxes. You have two options that you can do for the subscription boxes. You can either go purchase them each month, or you could pay out for the year-long subscription. So it's not going to be like how Etsy, like Ipsy and Birchbox and BoxyCharm are, where you put in your information, it automatically sends to you. This is a box you actually have to order every single month. Unless you get the year-long subscription, then the boxes are going to automatically come to you, but you pay one price overall. You don't pay each month. So I think that's pretty good, because you can decide what boxes you want each month. So you're not stuck with products that you don't want. So that is the box that I have right there. That is the June box that is still available on their website. Their website is piperandpoppydesigns.com. Of course, this brand is cruelty-free. I believe some of their items are vegan. You guys know they wouldn't be on my channel if they weren't. You can follow them on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I will put all their information down in the description bar below for you guys. I will also link their YouTube video explaining their company. It is just amazing. Like I stated before, I am a brand ambassador for this brand, and I do have a discount code that you guys can use for your subscription boxes, and it is right here at the bottom of the screen. Now, with this discount code, I do not earn any money at all whatsoever. This is just a code for you guys to save some money. So, yeah. But yeah, I do believe you could still get the June box and the June box for $25. And the July box is available for pre-order for $25. However, after July 1st, it's going to go up $5. So it'll be $30 for the July box. Shipping is included. I don't know what more I could say. I love this box. You guys should try it out. But yeah, I will put all their information in the description box below for you guys. As always, you can follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/MelissaLeahGarrett, on Snapchat as MelissaLeah1223, and on Instagram as MelissaLeahGarrett. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account, so if you see on with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel out to everyone as well. And while you're at it, just hit that notification bell because, of course, YouTube was destined to make that notification bell a thing. And that way you'll know when I'm posting. Even though we know I post on Tuesdays and Fridays. So, I love you all so much, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye! I gotta put my lippy on. Yes, sir. Okay, so this new subscription box that I want to bring to your guys' attention is called Poppy